Hello, welcome everyone. I'm going to show you here. So what we're gonna start to understand over here about to add flow in Figma. First, we have to start to realize something which is called the prototype page. And then once you click on it, you can actually see that is really about building on choosing the small node in the frame, dragging another frame. Set an interaction which is ready to click navigate to, and anything that is really related it is ready to play icon, which is really depending on that. And this really play button icon once you click on the frame. And I think it is really about some tutorials on the right corner. When you want to do this, everything is really to be depending on this frame and design, and I will start to choose it. So maybe once you go to the prototype here, you can actually start to choose settings, starting with that, starting with everything that is ready through it and navigate it, and this will be like this.